Number 1 Billionaires. Bernard Arnault and family. Chairman and CEO, LVMH Moët Hennessy, Louis Vuitton. Real-time net worth, as of 5/6/24/2124b. About Bernard Arnault and family. Bernard Arnault oversees the LVMH empire of 75 fashion and cosmetics brands, including Louis Vuitton and Sephora. LVMH acquired American jeweler Tiffany & Co. in 2021 for $15.8 billion, believed to be the biggest luxury brand acquisition ever. Arnault's holding company LVMH backs venture capital firm Agla Ventures, which has investments in businesses such as Netflix and TikTok parent company ByteDance. His father made a small fortune in construction. Arnault got his start by putting up $15 million from that business to buy Christian Dior in 1984. Arnault's 5 children all work at LVMH. In July 2022, he proposed a reorganization of his holding company LVMH to give them equal stakes. Forbes lists Number 1 Billionaires 2024. Number 56 Powerful People 2018 Age 75. Did you know? Arnault apparently wooed his wife, Helene Mercier, a concert pianist, by playing Chopin and other classical composers on the piano. Arnault and LVMH own a 40% stake in private equity firm L. Catterton, which has more than $30 billion in assets, including investments in Birkenstock and Equinox. In their own words, "I see myself as an ambassador of French heritage and French culture. What we create is emblematic. It's linked to Versailles, to Marie Antoinette,